Okay, hello students. Now this is another continuation of the explanation of Act 4 scene 1 of Tempest. I hope you must be enjoying this way of teaching and understanding my videos. Although I can understand, and this is my personal opinion, that this is very difficult way of understanding text, and especially the difficult text like Tempest. And today we will start from the portion of Act 4 Scene 1 where the masque has begun, where the speeches of the masque celebration has begun. And the scene which we are going to, speech which we are going to start, that is extremely difficult. So I want all of you all to hold your Atkinson in your hands, and this is page number 174. Okay. So after Prospero speaks to Ferdinand, he again calls Ariel, and then the masque celebration is started. Soft music takes place. Enter Iris. Now who is Iris? Now you will see that there are number of gods and goddesses who will come in order to shower their blessings on Ferdinand and Miranda, and they are actually spirits of Prospero who have taken forms of gods and goddesses, so that this beautiful celebration can take place on that deserted island. So enter Iris. First of all, Iris enters. Who is Iris? He is messenger of goddess Juno. Okay, so Iris is messenger of goddess Juno, and the very first speech in this masque celebration is of Iris. Iris here wants to invite goddess of agriculture Ceres. तो आइरिस की जो स्पीच है वो सेरिस के लिए है, और आइरिस मैसेंजर है गॉडेस जूनो का, और वो सेरिस को इनवाइट कर रहा है इस सेलिब्रेशन में पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए. आइरिस स्पीक्स. सेरिस, मोस्ट बाउंटियस लेडी. सेरिस को क्या कंसिडर कर रहा है? मोस्ट बाउंटियस. बाउंटियस मीन्स जेनरस. Thy rich lias of wheat, rye, barley, vetches, oats and peas, and thy turfy mountains. Because Ceres is goddess of agriculture, so that is why all the beauty of the earth, all the agriculture, all the trees, mountains, grass, they are actually under the power of Ceres. तो आइरिस उसकी पावर्स को अप्रिशिएट करते हुए बोलता है कि Ceres, you are the most generous goddess of this earth, and your fertile fields are full of wheat. ठीक है, तो ये देखिए, thy rich lias. Lias means fields of wheat, rye and barley. They are again a kind of a food which is grown in agricultural fields. Vetches. Vetches means fodders. Oats and peas, again a kind of a food grown on earth. Thy turfy mountains. Turfy means grassy. The mountains which are covered with thick coated grass. Thy turfy mountains where live nimbling sheep. Nimbling means grazing. So these mountains which are covered by turfy grass, which is under your power, so they give food to the sheep. The sheep, they come on these turfy mountains in order to graze. And flat meads. Meads means meadows. Vast stretches of plain fields, they are called as meadows. The flat meads thatched with stover. Stover means grass. So the way the mountains, they are covered with green grass, similarly the flat lands are also covered with green grass. Thy banks with pliant and trilled brims, even the banks of the river, they are also pliant. Pliant means studded, full of, covered with twinned brims. Twinned brims means marigold. Which spongy April. April, you all know, is a month which provides rainfall. And spongy means the sky which is covered with or laden with clouds. So spongy April at thy hest be trims. Hest means commands. So it is on the command of Ceres that in the month of April heavy showers fall on this earth to make cold nymphs chaste crowns. Okay, so that the rainfall comes in the month of April and beautify in order to make crowns for the chaste nymphs. Nymphs are another word for mermaids. And thy broom grooves. Broom means wood and groves means forest or orchards. So the huge forests which are present on this earth, and there are so many trees which are present in a forest, whose shadows the dismissed bachelor loves being last long. So under the shadow of the vast stretches of trees present in the broom groves, in the forest of trees, they sit dismissed bachelors. तो वहां पे कौन बैठता है? Dismissed means rejected, bachelors means lovers. So all the rejected lovers, they sit under the shadow of these huge trees, being last long. And what do? They remember their lady love who have left them. Last means girl, long means last. Thy pole clipped vineyard. Pole clipped vineyard means the poles of your vineyard. Okay, so the trees of the grapes, their poles. And thy sea march. Sea march means sea crust, the crust of the sea. Sterile and rocky hard. And even the sterile means where there is no vegetation found, where there are no trees, no grass. And rocky hard means sea beach with rocks. So the sea beaches with which are covered with beautiful rocks, where thou thyself dost there, where you with your power spread air, fresh air, the queen of the sky. तो इतना जो सेरेस से लेकर के और दोस्त एयर तक है, फ्रेश एयर तक है, वहां तक आइरिस जो है वो सिरिस की पावर्स को अप्रिशिएट कर रही है, प्रेज कर रही है सिरिस की पावर्स को. जिस तरह से गॉडेस ऑफ अर्थ ने, गॉडेस ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर ने, गॉडेस ऑफ अर्थ भी बोल सकते हैं, गॉडेस ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर भी बोल सकते हैं, इन्होंने अर्थ को ब्यूटिफाई किया है. ओके, एंड देन शी सेज, आइरिस जो है फिर वो बोल रहा है, द क्वीन ऑफ द स्काई. हु इज रिफर्ड एज द क्वीन ऑफ द स्काई? गॉडेस जूनो. Okay, so goddess of sky or goddess of heaven is Juno, and Iris is Juno's messenger, and Iris is talking to Ceres, and Ceres is goddess of agriculture or goddess of earth. तो वो इतना अप्रिशिएट करने के बाद बोल रही है, the queen of sky, that is Juno, whose watery arch means rainbow, and messenger I am. तो आइरिस अपना इंट्रोडक्शन भी दे रहा है और क्या बोल रहा है कि आई एम द मैसेंजर ऑफ गॉडेस जूनो हु वांट्स टू इनवाइट यू, बिड्स दी लव दीज लीव दीज, bid thee leave these. I request you to leave all your important work, and with her sovereign grace here on this grass plot, and with your powerful presence come on this grass plot. Grass plot means island. In this very place, in this beautiful island, to come and sport. Sport means to make fun, to celebrate. Her peacocks fly amain, approach rich Ceres, her to entertain. So please do come. You are invited by my Lord Goddess Juno. So please come on this grass plot, on this island, to enjoy. And I know that Goddess Juno is also coming on her chariot, which is drawn by her peacocks. तो गॉडेस जूनो भी यहाँ पे आ रही है इस ग्रास प्लॉट पे, और उनका चैरियट कौन फ्लाई करता है? पीकॉक्स. अप्रोच रिच सिरिस, हर टू एंटरटेन. सो इट इज माई रिक्वेस्ट टू यू सिरिस, प्लीज कम एज सून एज पॉसिबल. एंड देन ऑल ऑफ अ सडन एंटर सिरिस. तो आइरिस ने सिरिस को इन्विटेशन दिया, सिरिस ने उस इन्विटेशन को एक्सेप्ट किया और ग्रास प्लॉट के ऊपर आ गई. यानी कि अब सेकेंड इंट्रोडक्शन जो है वो गॉडेस सिरिस का है. सिरिस जो है वो आइरिस से क्या बोल रही है? हेल मेनी कलर्ड मैसेंजर. हेल मीन्स वेलकम, मेनी कलर्ड मैसेंजर मीन्स मल्टी कलर्ड आइरिस. मैसेंजर कौन है? आइरिस है. तो आइरिस के लिए मैसेंजर वर्ड यूज हो रहा है. मेनी कलर्ड मीन्स मल्टी कलर्ड, बिकॉज द ड्रेस ऑफ आइरिस वॉज अ मल्टी कलर what to say, cloak. That never does disobey the wife of Jupiter. Wife of Jupiter is another introduction to Juno. जूनो को गॉडेस ऑफ हेवन भी बोला गया है, गॉडेस ऑफ स्काई भी बोला गया है, वाइफ ऑफ जुपिटर भी बोला गया है, क्वीन ऑफ स्काई भी बोला गया है. ठीक है, तो सेरिस जो है वो बोलती है कि आई वेलकम यू, यू आर मल्टी कलर्ड मैसेंजर ऑफ गॉडेस जूनो हु इज वाइफ ऑफ जुपिटर. विद हर सेफ्रन विंग्स अपॉन माई फ्लावर्स डिफ्यूजेस्ट हनी ड्रॉप्स. और आइरिस को अप्रिशिएट करके क्या बोलती है कि यू विद योर पावरफुल विंग्स, ठीक है, कलरफुल विंग्स, what do? You scatter honey drops Diffusest means scatter. You scatter honey drops, refreshing showers, and thus rain falls on this earth. And with each end of thy blue bow, those crown my bosky acres. And with every fall of rain, with every drop of water which falls on this earth, it makes the beautiful forest green. It turns the beautiful forest green. Bosky means wooded. So wooded acres means huge forest. They also get rainfall from you. And my unshrubbed down. Unshrubbed means bare hill rides. Rich scarf to my proud earth. So the way you the way you create beautiful rainbow on the sky, that becomes a beautiful crown on this earth. Why had thy queen summoned me either? क्वेश्चन पुट अप कर रही है सिरिस आइरिस से. और क्या क्वेश्चन पुट अप कर रही है कि वाई हैव योर गॉडेस जूनो, क्वीन इज रेफर टू जूनो, वाई हैव योर गॉडेस जूनो कॉल्ड मी हेयर. समन्ड मीन्स कॉल्ड, ईदर मीन्स हेयर. हेयर मीन्स ऑन दिस island. To this short grass green, to this small beautiful green island, why am I invited? तो आपका यहाँ तक आज का पार्ट है और ये बहुत डिफिकल्ट स्पीच है. बोथ द स्पीचेस आर डिफिकल्ट. गो थ्रू इट, गो थ्रू द पैराफ्रेज विच इज गिवन, गो थ्रू द मीनिंग्स विच आर गिवन, and then we will discuss in WhatsApp group what are your queries. You can post in the WhatsApp group.